How many of you have a sonic screwdriver at home? Come on, it's okay to admit that you're a geek, all you Doctor Who fans there. So if you've ever seen the sci-fi television series Doctor Who, you know that he travels throughout time and space in search of adventure and just generally helping people. So when we talk about a journey through time and space, it sounds like time and space are completely distinct from each other. But as Albert Einstein taught us in 1915, we can't really think of time and space as being completely separate entities. Time and space are actually interwoven into a four-dimensional fabric that we call space-time. So Doctor Who is actually going on a voyage through space-time. Now here in week 12, you're going to learn about the deaths of stars. And the deaths of stars can be very cataclysmic. It can actually blow up and form something called a supernova. It's not what our sun's going to do. You have to have a high mass to go out with a bang. Our sun is going to go out with a whimper. It's going to actually implode in something that we call a white dwarf. So here in week 12, we're going to be talking about different ways that stars can die and what corpse is left over. And mass is going to play a critical role in determining how a star is going to die. So low mass stars will die as a white dwarf. Medium mass stars will die as something called a neutron star, a ball of neutrons. And high mass stars will die as a black hole. And I'm sure you all have a gazillion questions about black holes. But to understand black holes, we have to understand space-time. So we're going to spend some time this week getting you up to snuff on Einstein's general theory of relativity and then talk about black holes. And you might be saying to yourself, well, if a black hole is black, how can we see it? How can we know that they exist? We know that they exist because of their gravity. Yes, the big G word is back, gravity. Black holes have very intense gravity, and their gravitational influence on their neighborhood, they're really bad neighbors, by the way, that influence on their neighbors through their gravity is going to allow us to determine that they're there and how big they are and how bad of a neighbor they are, how much they're eating. So I think you'll enjoy this week. And again, if you have any questions, let me know.